Hello sa lahat. So, I think napadpad kayo sa video ito dahil, you want to know more about Go High Level, kung ano nga ba ang Go High Level, um, na very in demand siya ngayon kasi it's one of the best tool for businesses as well as agencies na local and abroad na ginagamit siya. Madaming opportunity sa Go High Level. So, I think makakabasa kayo ng need ng Go High Level VAs and all those stuff. So, hindi lang naman siya virtual assistant ang pwedeng maging career mo in Go High Level because ang daming tools inside Go High Level that you can be an expert on. Like for example, you can be, an automation specialist, an email marketer, an SMS marketer, a landing page builder, a funnel builder. So maraming tools or features ang Go High Level that you can focus on. But in this case, I want to give you an overview kung ano nga ba talaga ang Go High Level para magkaroon kayo ng idea kung ano yung pinapasok nyo na career. So just a quick history or background. I've been a web developer, WordPress developer to be exact. So I've been creating website as well as WordPress plugins before. Tapos that's a few years back. Tapos nag-transition ako into digital marketing kasi meron akong business na inaral ko yung Facebook Meta or Facebook ads as well as Google ads, email marketing, SMS. So nagustuhan ko siya na career kasi very in demand and very beneficial siya personally as well as sa mga nagiging clients ko. So anyway, I've been working with Go High Level for some years now, a few years now, and it's one of the tools na nagustuhan ko talaga. Because before that, nag-work ako with MailChimp, mga MailChimp clients, Active Campaign, um, what you call Klaviyo, Constant Contact, lahat halos ng email marketing na involve ako. I created automations and email marketing. But anyway, enough about that. So let's dig in sa Go High Level. So, meron ako ditong prepare na slide. So, in Canva lang siya. So, first thing na you need to know is, what is Go High Level? Very in simple terms. So, para sa akin, ang Go High Level is a CRM. So, Customer Relationship Manager siya or management software, as you can tell. So, just imagine kung may business ka, saan mo i-store yung mga customer data mo. Like, for example, you're a salon business or a med spa business. Saan mo ilalagay yung patient details mo? Like, for example, yung first name, last name, email address, contact number, kung ano yung mga contact information. So, before, it's paper, right? So, may mga form paper, pinipilapan. Pero ang tanong, paano mo siya mamamanage, paano siya mahanap. So that's where a CRM goes into action. Kumbaga, in, in the cloud siya, web app siya. So, isang search mo lang, makikita mo na siya. So, ini-store niya yung mga customer data mo. Not only customer data, but also leads. And we will tackle that about that a little later. So, it's a CRM and it's also a marketing all-in-one suite. So, marketing siya kasi it has an email marketing suite, so you can send emails out. It has an SMS marketing, so pwede ka mag-send ng text. There's a social media planner as well, so if familiar kayo sa Hootsuite or Sendable, na you can schedule social posts to your Facebook page and Instagram accounts or other social media, meron yan ng Go High Level. So it's a marketing all-in-one suite for you to market and remarket to your customer. So that's my kumbaga yan ang para sa akin definition ng Go High Level for me. It's a CRM as well as a marketing all-in-one suite. So marami pa siyang feature I think. Pero for me, nako-compress ko siya sa description na yan. So para sa akin, now ano ang sinosolve ni Go High Level? So meron ako prepare na 4 um, points here na mag-shed ng light for you to know more about Go High Level at a higher level or kumbaga at a beginner level. So yan, for me merong 4 points or pain points na sinosolve ang Go High Level. So first one is acquisition. So it's a customer relationship management software as well as an acquisition, meaning as a business, syempre kailangan mong maghanap ng clients or customers, 'di ba, na bibili ng product mo or mag-a-avail ng services mo. For in our example, med spa. So paano ka mag-a-acquire ng clients, 'di ba? Pwedeng traditional marketing like flyers, banners, billboards, and all those stuff. Pero sa digital marketing, syempre, digital siya. So, natatrack mo siya. So, nalalaman mo kung yung from lead to conversion, kumbaga from nakuha mo yung information to a buyer to a customer of yours. Now, yan, acquisition, like for example, you're running ads like Facebook, Google. Ngayon, sa Pilipinas kasi, karamihan mga messenger ads. So, maraming chat to messenger, di ba? Chat to the Facebook page. Ngayon, ang problema sa mga businesses na yon is di nila kinukuha yung contact information, like yung email address or even your phone number, and hindi nila yon ini-store into somewhere else, kumbaga in a CRM, para matrack nila yung mga inquiries na yon. So just imagine na acquisition, kasi syempre di pa naman sila ready to buy, so na-acquire mo lang siya kasi in Go High Level you can create landing pages. So doon sa landing pages na yon, merong form na isa-submit yung information ng lead, email, and SMS or phone number. Then pwede kang mag-trigger ng mga nurturing emails or like for example, mag-Facebook ads ka ng isang promo for your med spa, like 30% off facials. Tapos gagawa ka ng landing page na andun yung offer, tapos merong form to capture yung information. So that's where Go High Level solve the acquisition thing, na you have a medium para makuha yung information ng lead, and that's the time na you can try to close that deal or convert it to a customer. And then, yeah, as I mentioned, yan, capturing leads with funnels, forms, and calendars. So, yung funnels, yung dinesign mong stages, like for example, from capturing the information to conversion, ulit-ulit na ano. Pero you get the point. So, kung wala kang landing page, I mean, anong gagamitin mo? Maybe Messenger o chat to Messenger, pero most of the time, di mo naman siya capture yung data. Like, for example, yung email or phone number. So with a landing page and forms, you can capture those information. Like may field na first name, last name, email, phone, and then submit. Tapos yun, maka-capture na ng CRM, which in this case, Go High Level. Tapos yun, may calendars din ang Go High Level, where in that landing page, instead of a form, book an appointment with you. And then that's it. So that is where you can instantly follow up with these new leads na nag-submit ng form, to send them something like incentives and all that stuff. So that's for acquisition. So with Go High Level, you can run campaigns and generate leads for your business. Ang second point ko is nurturing. Ngayon, na-solve na yung acquisition. So, ang next problem mo is paano mo siya i-close, di ba? Paano mo mapapabili sila sa product or services na in-offer mo. So, that's where nurturing comes from. So, you can create email and SMS sequences or text sequences. So, after mag-submit ng form, you can send an email telling them more about your business, kung ano yung mga services na in-offer mo, your credentials, testimonial, social proof. So, dyan mo na siya pwedeng i-trigger. Like, after form submission, trigger ng email. And then, after 3 days, pag di pa siya nag-close o bumili, you can trigger another email or text na like a testimonial. Then, after 4 or 5 days again, iti-trigger mo na naman ng isang email to continue nurturing them. Give them more information about their business to trust you, di ba? Kasi in most cases, leads are new customer. They didn't know about your business. So with this nurturing, you can, as its name implies, nurture. Kino-cultivate mo siya para ma-close mo yung lead na yan. And then, we have here, drip campaigns. As I mentioned, you can define kung yung delays, yung timings, like kung if it's 2 months automation ba, depende sa sales cycle mo. Like for example, you want it to close as soon as possible, then depende sa sales cycle mo. Kung mabilis lang or high ticket or low ticket. But the main idea here is you continue to build relationship with these leads to have them ready to book and to buy. So that's pretty much nurturing. And the third point is marketing. Ngayon, forget about those. So meron ka ng lead, na-nurture mo na sila. Ngayon, syempre, ang iba dyan magko-convert into customers. Ang iba, parang wala na. Parang nalulost na, parang hindi na nag-go through the sales cycle mo. Hindi na siya, nag-draft off na siya. So, hindi na siya interested in all that stuff. So, with marketing, so dito ka na mag-market sa mga customer mo. So, like sa case ng, for example, med spa, syempre, may mga monthly promotions ka, right? So, every month, pwedeng may mga monthly promotions ka like 11-11, 8-8, 9-9, di ba? Like sa Shopee. So, pwede kang mag-send ng email and text with Go High Level. So, through that, mamamarket mo and pwede mong madagdagan yung lifetime value na tinatawag ng isang customer mo. Meaning, nag-repeat purchase siya because they already bought from you, so they know you. So, why not entice them further, nurture them further para maging loyal sila sa inyo. Kasi it's cheaper to remarket sa mga existing customer because they already know you than to um, find new leads, find new customer through acquisition. But anyway, syempre, of course, you should do that side by side, acquisition and then marketing sa mga existing customers mo. So that's where email, tapos yan, social media posting, because in Go Level, there's a social media planner. Kung familiar kayo sa Sendable or Hootsuite na you can connect your social profiles and then post from one app or schedule from one app. Ang Go Level is meron yan. So you don't have to pay or use those third-party tools. You can do it inside Go Level na. Yan. So you can create offers, promotion, monthly specials. So you can be fancy sa pag-create ng marketing mo. So you can create landing pages para or to highlight the offer for that month. You can even create websites in Go Level. So you don't need to you know find a web developer. Medyo may learning curve siya, especially if you're not technical, but you can create your own website and Go Level. So that's pretty much it. And last is what we have here, integrate all marketing channel into one dashboard. So unlike before na most businesses before may other software sila for email marketing, like gumagamit sila ng Mailchimp o kaya Constant Contact or Active Campaign. Then may ginagamit din silang SMS software like Klaviyo na ibang software again. So may ginagamit pa ulit sila na another provider ng landing pages like Lead Pages. May ginagamit din silang another core forms like Google Forms or Typeform or Jotform. May iba pa silang ginagamit sa pag-create ng website, sa so madaming tools. So kumbaga cluttered siya. So iba-ibang tools, but with Go High Level, di mo na kailangan yung mga separate tools na yun. Kasi in Go High Level, andun na lahat. And seamless yung data kasi yung information sa email marketing mo, you can use, kumbaga, one database siya in terms of managing your contacts, leads, or customers. So that's for marketing. So let's just have a brief recap. So may acquisition tayo para mag-run tayo ng Facebook ads to capture leads or new potential customer. Then meron tayong nurturing para to continue nurture these leads kasi at the first place, di nila alam yung business mo. So ninurture mo sila to close. Ngayon, yung third part is marketing kasi dun sa mga ninurture mo na yun, may mag-close dun, right? May magiging customer ka dun and that's where you can madagdagan yung customer lifetime value niya. Kasi kung at first napabilan mo siya ng package na 700 pesos, syempre pwede mo siyang mas mapa-repeat buyer or repeat customer mo siya, mapabili mo siya ng another high ticket item or low ticket item. So anyway, that's the point of marketing to your existing contacts to increase the AOV or average lifetime value of your customer. Tapos, and the last one is retention and retargeting. Ngayon, so, doon sa nurturing mo, may nag-close na customer, so pwede mo na siyang ilagay sa marketing mo, sa monthly promotions mo, mga ganyan-ganyan. Ngayon, yung mga iba naman doon na hindi nag-close, that's where you can do retargeting. So, para further mo siyang ma-close, like you can give them a special incentive, like on the second to the last email of your nurturing sequences, doon ka magbibigay ng mas matinding offer para ma-close mo lang yung customer na yon. Tapos retention din, kasi doon sa mga naging customer mo, hindi maiiwasan na may mag-fall out dyan. Like, hindi na sila bumili for like after 4 months or 3 months, di na sila bumalik. So that's where you can do retention strategies, like sending them a different offer. So with the help of CRM, ma-identify mo yung mga customers, kung sino-sino yung mga customer na yun. Sino yung hindi na bumili after 5 months, di sino yung bumili ng 6 months o ganyan. Then you can also do cross-selling, di ba? Yan. So staying connected. So that's the main idea. Stay connected with your existing customer, which is retention. Yan, you can send review requests as well kasi to strengthen your brand, right? So very good siya for SEO purposes or for authority ng brand mo. So the more na merong ang daming positive reviews sa business mo, so that's a strong push sa authority mo when it comes to your industry or niche. So kung for example, ang daming review ng med spa mo, syempre, anong panama nung bagong med spa on the block, right? Unless they have a very good marketing team. So anyway, very important yan kasi for SMO or social media optimization. Kasi same as SEO, may search engine optimization for search engines, meron din SMO na tinatawag, which is social media optimization, para ma-optimize yung Facebook page mo sa mga searches inside social media. Like sa Facebook, di ba, nag-search ka ng like restaurant, near me, ganyan-ganyan. So with that, if your Facebook page is very optimized, you post daily with strategic keywords or hashtags and all those stuff, mas grabe yung high chance na. Anyway, that's another topic. So, yan, loyalty and return customer campaign. So, as I mentioned, hindi lahat ng customers mo is mag-i-stay. So, meron dyan mag-churn talaga na tinatawag na hindi na talaga bumalik. So, that's where you can strategize to bring them back. Like, you can create an automation na after 6 months na hindi sila nag-open ng marketing emails mo, send mo sila ng a different offer. So, magbe-branch out sila from another automation to target or to enter a specific automation series for winning them. So it's a win back campaign. Yan, re-engagement as retention, to bring in active clients ba. Yan, retargeting automation. So that's pretty much it. So very important. Actually, parang pwede mo nga itong i-divide into two, tong last na to, into retention and retargeting. Kasi in my vocabulary, magkaiba tong dalawa actually. So yung retention is more on for your existing customer na nag-turn. So hindi na naging inactive. So that's where you can do remarketing series, win back campaign, and all those stuff. Into retargeting naman, as I understand it, kumbaga in my own words, parang retargeting siya on your lost lead. Yung mga na-acquire mo na leads or prospect, pero hindi siya nag-convert, hindi siya bumili sa'yo, hindi sila, kumbaga hindi mo siya na-win, hindi mo siya nakuha as a customer. So you can do that through a specific, different automation para a different offer perhaps. So anyway, that's pretty much it. So if I'm going to rewrite this, Go High Level solves your acquisition problem, so you can run Facebook ads or any acquisition or gaining customers techniques. So that's where you can funnel yung mga tao na yun sa funnel mo, like, in the landing page or form, doon mo siya ipa-funnel para makuha yung information. And second is nurturing, para ma-nurture mo itong mga leads na nakuha mo into trying to convert them or close them into a customer. And third is marketing. So this is for your existing customer base, para tuluyan mo siya or continuous mo siyang ma-update sa about your business, kung ano yung mga current offers mo and all those stuff. And fourth is retention. So dun sa retention is, syempre, yung mga existing customer base mo, may mag-churn dyan. So may mga hindi na babalik, magiging active. So that's where you can implement a win-back campaign, another automation na to give them a special offer para bumalik sa practice mo or bumalik sa business mo. And retargeting, so 5 na siya. Retargeting para dun sa mga leads na hindi mo na-close sa first sales funnel mo. So yung mga, siguro you can offer them different offer, baka mas kumagat sila, and then maging customer mo na sila in turn. So um it's a continuous process. So acquire, nurture, market, retention, remarketing, then acquire, or ganyan. So very important na mag-acquire ka, acquisition, para may new customer ka. But also importante din na huwag mong pabayaan yung mga existing customers mo. Kasi nagtiwala na sila eh. Bumili na sila sa iyong business. So, kilala ka na nila. So, it's easier na i-upsell mo lang sila ng something or i-cross-sell mo sila into another service or product. So, don't forget that, kasi maraming businesses, especially here sa Pilipinas, na hanggang first customer lang sila. Wala na silang retention campaign, like to win them back, to upsell them or cross-sell them with anything. Halos wala. So anyway, that's pretty much what Go High Level is and what it can solve for you. So hopefully this quick video, not quick actually, gives you some shed light kung ano ang Go High Level. So in the next videos, itatakal ko yung specific features within Go High Level, to how to use them in general, para malaman mo, kung once na andun ka na, pumasok na sa Go High Level, alam mo yung mga tools na magagamit mo inside Go High Level. So I hope this video helps you in any way. And if you want to continue with this series, you feel free to comment down or like this video. I will appreciate that. But continuous ako magpo-post ng Go High Level tutorials sa Tagalog para makatulong sa mga kapwa Filipino natin or VAs. But yeah, thank you so much for watching and see you in the next video. Bye-bye.